And welcome back to Dawsongroup TV. We're in the studio with Peter Snowden for a discussion about the difference that Dawsongroup engineering department can make to your business. The future is getting to be more and more of a headache. There is more technology out there every day than you can shake a stick at, and of course the government has consistently released new compliance. So we're going to explore today what the Dawsongroup's attitude to that, and it's quite different, isn't it, to the way that manufacturers will provide information and support. You're in a very different role, aren't you?
I've been with the Dawsongroup for 24 years. Prior to that, I was actually a repair agent or a supplier to the Dawsongroup. And during that time, I actually had a sabbatical and went to Australia, came back, and then I joined the group. And I joined the group as a branch manager originally. And during that time, my skills leaned more to our engineering functions, and I moved up to Milton Keynes. And I've been there for 24 years.
For people that haven't been able to visit Dawsongroup, can you give us a picture of what the engineering division looks like?
Sure. Yeah, the engineering division really consists of a department of 28 individuals where we're working with our own in-house systems, and what we're doing is looking after the repair and maintenance of all our assets whilst providing a 24/7, 365 breakdown service. Okay,
and in terms of the numbers of suppliers that you manage, how big a network have you got?
Yeah, well, the network is considerable and built up over many years. It consists of 1,100 authorised suppliers.
And what sort of products and services do they actually have that you have to manage?
Because of the range and diversity of the equipment we have, they break down into general repairers, main dealers, refrigeration, tyres and tail lifts.
Okay, and if you look at the priorities that out of all the services that you have to manage for clients, what would you say those are?
Well, the priorities are always to be safe, legal and compliant, but whilst also delivering a minimal downtime on that equipment, and in the eventuality that a vehicle does suffer a breakdown, then it's allowing minimal distress.
If I'm a growing trucking company and I've invested in running my own trucks, and you were trying to get across the benefits of moving to a hire plan, what difference do you think the service that you're providing in the engineering service could make to my life?
Yeah. Well, vehicles that we operate nowadays are quite technical and have legislation around them relating to compliance. And what we do really is manage that. So through our repair agent network, we are monitoring a number of KPIs that they do, the quality that they produce. And that, in a nutshell, can relate to average ATAs when replacing a breakdown, the first time fix, the compliance documentation that they send to us, the accuracy of that, and their MOT first time pass rate. So we're checking all these elements that our repair agents are actually providing, and but we go a bit step further than that as well. We actually have a fleet of engineers that go in and inspect the premises and the quality of work that's been carried out.
So if an organisation was trying to replicate that, there's both the administration and the engineering knowledge and skills that they would have to recruit.
Exactly, yes. Yeah, and this is an ongoing thing. Legislation is changing all the time. To keep abreast of that does mean a certain amount of investment, but also knowledge and an infrastructure there that you can call on.
Wonderful. So I think next time we're going to be talking about the value added that you give to operators, but I think that's an excellent overview of the services. So thanks for that, and if you'd like to join us for part 2, we'll explore other aspects of the engineering services division, including compliance and future technology. So from myself and Peter, that's all for now.